Hi, how are you? The name is Wanda. Let me just show you what I did. I first created the network for each in the US, Central and West, and the VM created from there. Then I followed the steps and guidelines. Then I came to the VM and I created this VM. But while I said creating this VM, I had to use not the original network, but I used to use the network that I created in the first step. So after creating this VM, I made sure I gave each VM. I made sure that it is accessible to the only group that it is the required group to have access, like the sales, like here the customers. So I came in from here added rows. So you can see the rows that I added. I added the row of virtual machine contributor. Yeah, virtual machine user login to the groups. Like on each and every group that I made sure I did this. Then let me just show you after doing that. I went into the VMs after using these ones. I clicked on this one and logged in. Like let me just say from there, connected. I placed the password that I had put. Then I logged in and say yes. As you can see, I'm connecting to it. There you go, it's connected and everything. Then from there, I made sure this one, and I ran the PowerShell. In the PowerShell, I made sure I ran a script. Was the script that I ran. I tried to use the one method of copying from the one I was saying last time, taking the drive name under the storage account and under the right under the file and share and the storage account. Let me just take from there. They were supposed to work, but I had challenges because it was giving me, it was not coming up. Right, sorry, and the storage access here. So the file share exactly here. In the file share, in each department, let's say if I wanted to connect, like that one was the customer that I lifted up, so I went to the customer VM1 and make sure this one. So I was supposed to make sure that I connect and I take this one on the letter here under Windows and copy this script and run this script. So I tried running this script, but it was giving me errors. It was not being able to saying the password. And then I had to change and make sure that I ran this script where I was saying the user account name, storage account, then the share name, which is the the, the storage name account that I'd given, then the key that I had to use, which I got from the storage account. That's the one that I did from this storage account, and access key here. That's where I got it. I got it under access key here. That's the one I used, which is the same as you can see here. So I ran this and I made sure I connected this. You can see on my virtual machine. Let me go to this one. As you can see under here, this is, let me open. Sorry for that. Taking some time. But let me just go to, right, I think it's opening. There you go. You can see it's the SVM data. It was the VM1 for the cells. So it comes with temporary storage, and this is the attached storage that I did, which was 1 gig as per assignment. So I did for each and every one of them. Let me just show you for another department. Let me just go into, let's say, engineering here and come to here. As you can see, engineering VM data 1 was attached here. So the storage that we had created last week is the storage that I attached here. So thank you for listening to my process that I did. I'm still learning. I'm still learning to make sure that I can do this correctly. So thank you for allowing me to share what I did. Have a great day.